With spring being here, many of us are probably thinking about starting seeds, buying plants, and preparing the garden for planting. I enjoy starting my own seeds and watching them grow. Some years I do more than others. Hi guys, my name is Emma. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I make my own seed starting mix with 3 ingredients. To make the mix, I'm using vermiculite, perlite, and peat moss, but you can use cocoa coir in place of peat moss. There are a couple benefits of making your own seed starting mix. The first one is knowing what is in it, simply natural ingredients. You don't have to worry about anything manufacturers may put in it. The second benefit is we get more by buying in larger quantities instead of buying small bags. It may seem expensive at first, but trust me, your wallet will thank you for it. An 8-quart bag costs about $8 and barely fill up 2 of my herb pots. We definitely pay more and get less for what we pay for. Use something to measure with. I'm using a plant container to measure the ingredients and the wheelbarrow as a mixing container. You can use things you already have like a bucket or a large container for measuring and for mixing. I started with 2 containers of peat moss. I barely made a dent in the bag. Peat moss is a sterile, moisture-retaining material. The finer the fiber, the more water-holding capacity it has. Now I'm going to add 1 container of vermiculite. The measuring doesn't have to be exact. Vermiculite is a flaky mica-like mineral, often used as a soil additive to help with water absorption, retention, and drainage of the soil. It basically regulates the amount of water available to plants. I'm going to add 1 container of perlite. See how light it is? Perlite is a naturally occurring mineral in the form of amorphous volcanic glass that is white and lightweight and looks like broken up styrofoam. It provides aeration and drainage. Thoroughly mix everything together. After looking at it, I decided to add 1 more container of peat moss. There are a lot of different recipes on how to make the mix. I just went by looking at it and thought it was a little bit too much of perlite, so I added more peat moss. After everything is mixed well, I started out with watering it lightly to keep perlite and dust from flying up too much. Give a good mix and then repeat the process of watering and mixing it until the mixture is thoroughly moistened but not soggy. Keep adding as much water as the mixture will absorb. Peat moss can absorb water up to 26 times of its weight. I kept adding water to it until I could form a ball without it falling apart. That's pretty much it for making your own seed starting mix. It's ready for seed starting. You can save the leftover mix for the next season or use it to repot the plants. For plants permanently growing in pots, add some fertilizer to the seed starting mix to help it grow. Re-moisten the mixture before using it if it has dried out. Keep all the ingredients dry while storing and they will never go bad. Hope you enjoy watching this video. Until next time, you have a good day.